Assalamu alaikum. I'm engineer Hamna Shakil. In this video, we are going to learn about the coordinate system that is followed by AutoCAD. So AutoCAD basically follows these two coordinate systems. One is the Cartesian system and the other one is polar system. In Cartesian system, you can either use absolute method or you can use relative method. Similarly, in polar coordinate system, you can either use absolute method or you can use relative method. So basically, you have four combinations that you can use to define a location of a point. Let's start with Cartesian coordinate system. In two-dimensional plane, the position of a point is defined by two numerical values, x and y. X is the distance of a point from a vertical reference plane in the horizontal direction, and y is the distance of a point from horizontal reference axis in the vertical direction. For example, if you have a point here, the value of x will be the distance of this point from the vertical reference line. In this case, this y-axis is the vertical reference line, and the horizontal distance between the vertical reference line and point P is the x value. Similarly, the distance of this point from a horizontal reference axis in the vertical direction is y. In this case, the horizontal reference axis is x-axis. So the horizontal distance is x and the vertical distance is y. Let's take this example of a very simple triangle and define the position of these three corner points using the four combinations that I mentioned. Those combinations are absolute Cartesian, relative Cartesian, absolute polar format, and relative polar format. So let's start with the absolute Cartesian system. In absolute Cartesian coordinate system, the position of the point is defined by x and y values, and these x and y values are taken from fixed reference axis. In this case, the fixed axis is y-axis, x-axis, and where these two axes intersect each other is the origin. So you can also say that in absolute Cartesian coordinate system, the horizontal and the vertical distances are taken with respect to a fixed origin. Let's define these points using the absolute system. So for point number 1, the horizontal distance is 2 units and the vertical distance is 1 unit. So you can say that the position of point P1 in the absolute coordinate system is 2, 1. For point number P2, the horizontal distance is 2 and the vertical distance is 4 units, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So for P2 you can write the location as 2, 4. For point number 3, the horizontal distance is 7 and the vertical distance is 1 unit. So the position of point 3 is 7, 1. So if you want to write it here, so let's write it here. For P1, the location is 2, 1. For P2, the absolute location is 2, 4. For P3, the absolute location is 7, 1. So the first values represent x and the second value represents y.